Namaste. Are you sure India is what you think? Let's check it out. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you Indian toilet. It is little different than that which I had my whole life, so I face some problems about it. Maybe it will be useful for you if you come here. So let's see that. We will see 3 different toilets that it's possible you are gonna face in India. We reached the toilet. First problem is everybody knows you are going to toilet. Coming. Okay, we reached the toilet and I don't see toilet. I see something inside, like hole inside, but quite nice design and color. Okay, we might sit like that. Few problems about sitting on toilet like that. Problem number 1. Some people who don't have practice, they can't even do any kind of position like that. Second, even if you can do position but you are on your toe, then it is not stable and you will go like this or like that. Okay, for example, even if you put your feet down, how it is good, then you might fall back. For example, you manage your position and you can do it, okay? Everything is finished, and what happens now? Where is toilet paper? What you should do now? Where is toilet paper? Where is toilet paper? You see something like this. Okay, this one is not that much clean. And you get idea that, oh, they might use it for cleaning yourself, right? Okay, so you put some water. Oh, there is something. You can put water. Yeah, you got idea. Okay, and now I never know how it happens and what to do, but somehow you have to clean yourself with that, or not to clean it. And okay, for example, you clean yourself. I'm wet. What to do? I'll wait 1 hour here and I meet you after 1 hour when it gets dry. Okay, 1 hour later, I can go out. Oh my god! Everything is dirty. I am dirty. This is dirty. India, how to keep it in my shoes? One more problem which can happen is that you sleep. Okay, you went out of toilet and you want to wash your hands. You are washing your hands and there is no soap. So, and they're not that clean. Not in many places there is just no soap, which we need. I found other toilet, maybe that is better. So, you see that? European toilet, okay. We are at home. Good. Uh-oh. Okay. Some problems are in beginning only. At least it is European style. Okay. How can I sit on that? Where is toilet paper to use? That is the problem. What to do now? Maybe I will skip for today. You manage on your own what you're doing in this situation. Then there is no toilet for cleaning or toilet paper for cleaning only. And here is something like this. Maybe it's better than cup. You have to clean yourself with this water. And then you get same problem. What about your wet pant? No? And water then? Then you have to wait for drying, or I don't know. you're doing. Oh, and even flash is there. Okay, flash is also in here. Cool. We didn't flash that toilet. Sorry, we didn't. Again, everything is wet because you used water everywhere. And then everything is messy and everything is slippery. What to do? Hello. Yeah. Some toilets you just have to find where you can flush it, and here you have to flush it with something. Okay, flush it. Good. For a moment, I became Indian, and we go to toilet now. How we should do the things. Okay, everything is easy. Clean yourself, everything cool. Clean the toilet. Remember to clean the toilet. Oh, but no problem. Woo! We can go out. Wet? No problem. Everything is wet. Let's go. No problem, no problem. That's all for today. Let me know what do you think about Indian toilet and what problems you were facing when you were in India, or what do you think about Indian toilet if you never have been here. Subscribe to not miss any other episode. Thank you for watching, and find me here also, and see you next week. Bye.